Hello, Uma. Nice to meet you. I'm Arya. Let's talk about food and cooking. What is your favorite cuisine?
Hello, nice to meet you too. I love Indian Bengali food as well as street food like fuchka, samosa, ghugni. If I talk about my Bengali food, I love fish curry, fried rice, and chicken biryani. I also enjoy cooking many spicy dishes.
That's wonderful, Uma. Indian Bengali food is known for its rich flavors and variety. Chicken biryani and fish curry are indeed delicious choices. Do you have a favorite recipe that you enjoy cooking?
Yeah, I love to enjoy cooking. So mostly I love to prefer cook Chinese foods. Okay, like chow mein, pasta, and you can say Maggi. This is Maggi, a recipe with so many vegetables and new dishes I love too.
That's great, Uma. Chinese cuisine offers a wide range of flavors and dishes to explore. Cooking chow mein, pasta, and trying new recipes like niji with vegetables sounds exciting. Is there a specific Chinese dish or recipe that you find most interesting to cook?
Yeah, I love to cooking momos.
That's fantastic, Uma. Momos are a popular and delicious dish. The process of making the dough and filling and then shaping the momos can be quite enjoyable. Do you have a favorite filling that you like to use for your momos?
Yeah, I felt fantastic because I mostly prefer to eat chicken momos. And this time, after finishing my cooking, I'm curious about how tasty it is and how it tastes. And also, when somebody says it's tasty, it's make me feel so happy.
That's wonderful, Uma. Chicken momos are indeed a flavorful choice. It's always exciting to see the end result of your cooking and receive positive feedback from others. The satisfaction of knowing that your dish is tasty can bring immense joy. Have you tried any special sauces or dips to go along with your chicken momos?
Yeah, I love to eating momos with the mixed sauces like chili sauces, tamarind sauce, and tomato sauce. It's delicious combinations. Yeah, I love to the tasty.
That sounds absolutely delicious, Uma. Mixing different sauces like chili, imli, and tomato can add a delightful combination of flavors to your momos. It's always fun to experiment with different sauces and find the perfect blend that complements your dish. Do you have any other favorite dishes or cuisines that you enjoy cooking or eating?
Yeah, I also love cooking mixed vegetables with the egg and chicken. So yeah, I sometime it can be very satisfying. I love it.
That's great, Uma. Cooking mixed vegetables with eggs and chicken sounds like a wholesome and flavorful dish. It's wonderful that you enjoy the process of cooking and find it exciting, even if it can be a bit challenging at times. Trying new recipes and experimenting in the kitchen can be both thrilling and rewarding. Is there a specific recipe or cooking technique you find particularly interesting or enjoyable?
No, it's not a specific recipe. Sometimes I find new recipes and try to make them by following the videos on YouTube. Yeah.
That's a fantastic approach, Uma. Watching recipe videos on YouTube is a great way to discover new dishes and learn different cooking techniques. It's wonderful that you're open to trying out new recipes and expanding your culinary skills.